Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at the new Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. So kung pinanood nyo ako sa previous Cherry Mobile show na episode last December 29, 2017, we have featured this smartphone in unbox namin along with Ian, Vic, and also Vince. In-unbox namin to, so you could check it out at the Cherry Mobile Facebook page. Pero kung gusto niyo nung unboxing ko this time, nakakakuha ko lang ng smartphone na to, well, panoorin niyo lang. So, pag-usapan muna natin yung specification smartphone. Actually, hindi ko sa ulo. Kahit na nandun ako sa Cherry Mobile Show, hindi ko pa rin sa ulo specifications. So, this one packs in 1.5 GHz MT6750T octa-core processor. It's a MediaTek processor, yes. And malalaman natin soon siguro sa review ko kung paano ba siya mag-perform. It packs a 4 gigs of RAM, 5.7-inch HD plus display. Take note, HD plus, because this one packs an 18:9 display aspect ratio, which means that the smartphone is taller and medyo mas mapayat siya ng konti. Hindi siya wide ng konti, so mas madali siyang hawakan. Kahit sabihin mo 5.7-inch siya, nung nahawakan ko tong Flare S6 Plus, nagulat ako, parang hindi siya 5.7-inch. Para siyang 5.5, something like that, because mas manipis, mas ergonomic yung design ng 18:9 display aspect ratio ng smartphone. Okay, so pag-usapan ulit natin yung specifications. We also got a 64 gigs of internal storage. And then, ito yung interesting part. The Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus packs a quad camera. Dalawa sa likod, dalawa sa unahan. Why do we need two cameras on the front and the back? Basically, these two cameras sa unahan sa likod, well, tigalawa sila. Pag nag-take kayo ng photo, mas maganda yung quality na makukuha nyo because pag combine nila yung dalawang data na nakuha nila, the colors, the contrast, and everything. And it also helps dun sa pag-bokeh ng objects. Madidetect nila yung depth ng object. So, you know, para mas maganda yung kuha nyo ng photo. So, hindi pa natin alam kung paano siya kaganda yung kanyang camera, pero malalaman natin mamaya once na matry natin. Siguro hands-on lang na konti yung quad camera ng Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. Then, sabi nga 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage. We also got a fingerprint scanner. There's a 3000 mAh battery, not surprising, LTE, and it packs a hi-fi ready na amplifier. And it comes with a hi-fi ready earphones with the Philippines limited edition. Na-try ko actually yung kanilang earphones and I was surprised na maganda talaga yung quality. So ano pa bang inaabangan natin? So let's unbox and let's take a closer look on the new Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. Okay guys, so you're looking at the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. So this is their premium flagship smartphone. Alright, so this smartphone packs a quad camera. So on the front we got two cameras and also at the back. So it's a 16 plus 5 megapixel rear camera in both front and rear camera. So we have a quad camera so we can do better bokehs and also do better shots with a smartphone. Alright, it also has a 18:9 display, which means that the smartphone is taller, it's ergonomic, and it feels more comfortable to the hand. So mas madali siyang hawakan, wala kang magiging problema. So ano pa bang hinatay natin? Buksan na natin. So this is the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. Okay, so mamaya tatanggalin natin yung plastic niya. But before that, let's open the box of the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. So sa loob, here's an interesting part dito. So we got a VE Monk Plus na earphones. Again, this smartphone supports hi-fi audio. So mas maganda yung audio na napapakinggan dito. So if nilagyan nyo ng music yung smartphone, mas maganda yung sound quality. Medyo mukhang cheap sa paningin nyo tong VE Monk Plus. However, it is my favorite smartphone. It's even better than my AKG na earphones na ginagamit ko sa Galaxy S8 ko. And I believe ito ang pinakamagandang earphones if you want yung magandang quality pero sobrang mura. So ito guys, VE Monk Plus, comes with the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. Dito pa lang sulit na ako. And then of course, we got here yung kanyang earpads na hindi mo natin gagamitin masyado. Basta mahalaga doon, meron tayo nung VE Monk Plus na napakaganda na sound quality. Yun yung ginagamit ko guys. Sobrang nire-recommend ko siya. Kasi mura siya. Tapos, maganda yung sound quality niya. Okay, so, okay, nalaglag. Okay, so inside, meron tayong charger. Yan, so, the charger is actually 5 volts, 1.5 milliamperes. So yeah, hindi siya super fast or fast charging, super na fast pa. Then of course we got here the USB Type-C cable. So normal na cable lang siya, not really special, right? Of course dito sa loob ng smartphone box, also got here yung things na kailangan natin sa smartphone. Of course we got here the pin na kailangan natin para sa SIM card tray, the user guide, and also yung Cherry Play and applications that we don't need. So ano pa bang inaantay natin? Punta naman tayo dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus na alamin natin kung ano bang meron. But before that, let's remove the plastic. Alright guys, so you're looking at the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. So, this smartphone got a quad camera. So, dalawa sa likod, dalawa sa unahan. And then, also got here the 5.7-inch 18:9 na display. A lot better than I expected. Mas maganda yung display niya sa unang paningin ko pa lang, you know, and expect ko hindi siya ganun kaganda. Well, nagkamali po ako, maganda actually yung kulay niya, and I actually like the display of the smartphone. Maybe bias ako sa 18:9, but overall, gusto ko yung display ng Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. So, as you could see here, we're running on Cherry OS, and makikita nyo meron tayong app drawer dito na pa-vertical yung kanyang scrolling. Makikita nyo rin dito yung mga applications na kasama ng Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. Cherry Camera, Cherry Fun Club, Cherry Prepaid, Chums, e-warranty. We also got an health center na health na application, Health Guard. So yan, play phone, use app, so accumulated usage today, important to drink 8 cups. So more on ano siya, parang fitness na application that can help, you know, stay healthy. Movie Club, my favorite application sa lahat ng Cherry Mobile smartphones. Privacy, kung saan pwede kayong magkameron ng second profile sa isang account, sa isang phone. Really cool, really awesome. Of course, system update and everything. So we could also change the themes, pero no, I'm not into that. Anyway, meron tayong 360 security, yan. So additional security and also maintenance sa application, maintenance sa smartphone nyo. Again, let's talk about the body of the smartphone first. So you can see here, we got here the 5.7-inch HD Plus display. We got here the flash, dual camera sa unahan, earpiece. We don't have hardware buttons because meron tayong sorry. Okay, ayun yung fingerprint ko. Ayan, meron tayong on-screen buttons dito. So, home button, back button, recent apps button. Bahan nga natin yung display. Yan. Yeah. Hindi, wag naman. So, yan. Yan. So, okay, so at the back, as you could see here, we got here a metal na body similar to the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Selfie that we have tested and hands-on natin before. We also got here the antenna lines, very similar to the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Selfie. We also got here the fingerprint scanner, the dual LED flash, dalawang dual LED flash, that's quad LED flash I believe, then dual lens camera at the back. Meron tayong konting protruding pero you know, not really an issue. Then sa taas we got here the 3.5mm audio jack, again hi-fi audio. Sa ilalim we got here the USB Type-C and also the speaker grill. And yes, this is the Cherry OS. As you could see here, it's very user-friendly and sobrang swak siya sa panlasa ng mga Pinoy. Why? Because yung shortcuts niya and everything is almost para sa mga gusto ng Pilipino. Okay, so what do I mean by that? So makikita nyo dito yung mga basic na apps na kailangan, basic functions na kailangan nyo. Makikita nyo dito yung boost, alarm, clean. So pwede nyo linisin yung memory ng smartphone nyo, yung RAM, screenshot, flashlight. So mas madali siyang gamitin kasi, well, I know most smartphones have this feature, okay? Pero yun nga, it's nice to see that a local brand has their own skin, their own UI na merong gantong features and functionalities. So makikita nyo dito yung mga applications and everything. So black tech, ayan. So you can pull down icons to make hover, blah 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 blah. Yan, so meron tayong black tech, yung kung saan yung parang dagdag security smartphone yan, also privacy, Google applications, system applications, and of course local applications, which is the Cherry Mobile application. So yan, so isang pindot nga lang dito, speed up, and there we go. Okay, so yan, nakapag-release siya ng 315 MB of RAM. The Cherry UI is user-friendly. It's not the best UI that I've seen on a smartphone, but it's really nice to see on a local branded smartphone na meron tayong ganito. It's fast and it doesn't lag. I've actually tested this one, the Cherry OS, sa isang smartphone, the Cherry Mobile Flare 6 Selfie, and wala akong nagiging problema. Okay, so you know the hardware specifications, also the features of the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Selfie. So Flare S6 Plus, so how about the camera of the smartphone? Okay, so this smartphone got this app, Cherry Camera, and as you could see here, so meron tayong dual lens camera that can let you do, so pwede ka mamili. So yan, so medyo wide angle yung isa is hindi. So pwede ka mag-take na photos ng mas wide, yung isa mas zoom. Okay, so as you could see here, HDR, yan, so pwede on and off, the flash, itong mga filters. So nandito sa settings meron tayong slow-mo, panorama, watermark. So you know watermark, no, I don't actually want yan. So a watermark is actually yan, so pwede kayo maglagay ng time. Okay, so pwede kayo maglagay na I'm here, Tuesday, oh my god, happy, whatever. So if you want to take selfies or photos, meron tayong additional stickers na pwede nyo i-adjust na nakita nyo naman kanina. And then of course, meron tayong panorama, beauty video, time-lapse, and also the pro mode. So basically sa pro mode, meron tayong control sa white balance, ISO, exposure, saturation, contrast, and also the brightness of the photo of the shots na gagawin natin. Okay, so meron pa tayo sa dito mga cool features. So beauty, face cute, and bokeh mode. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung bokeh mode. However, mapapansin nyo dito, the bokeh mode dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare 6 Plus is radial. So pabilog yung kanyang bokeh. Hindi siya sa base sa edges ng object. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Pero gusto ko muna pakita sa inyo itong face cute. Okay, so dito tayo sa front camera. So beauty level, of course, the face cute. Ayan, may beauty level tayong tinatawag. But if I wanted to add yan, so yan, no. So meron tayo, pwede tayo magdagdag ng mga stickers, which is a feature na cool sa Samsung Galaxy S8. It's really cool na nakita ko na dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus na built-in na siya. And so far, it's not perfect yung face recognition, but as you could see, kaya niya namang humabol. Yan. So nakakapag-recognize siya kahit medyo madilim. And of course, yan. So makikita nyo. Really cool. Okay, so here are the shots that I took using the Cherry Mobile Flare 6 Plus na smartphone. As you could see here, here's a selfie shot. And it's not perfect. I've used bokeh mode, and as you could see here, meron tayong hindi perfect yung pagka-bokeh niya, pero it's brighter than I expected. Here's another one. It's brighter than expected. However, I look paler because of the lights. Yan, so another selfie. Medyo okay yung kulay, so medyo madilim lang, kaya medyo may noise and everything. So I took a shot. This is just a normal shot. Medyo madilim. Ayan. So another one. Here's a bokeh shot. So mapapansin nyo na radial yung pagka-blur sa likod niya. Ayan. So hindi perfect yung pagka-bokeh niya because it's actually radial. Here's another shot that I took, and it's not perfect, pero medyo wide siya. There's the rear camera. As you could see here, yung kanyang text and fonts dito sa likod is actually visible. So I think okay naman yung camera niya for now. Maybe it's not perfect. I believe it's not perfect, but yeah, tama lang yung in-expect ko sa isang Cherry Mobile smartphone. I guess that's it for our unboxing hands-on of the Cherry Mobile Flare 6 Plus. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, don't forget to subscribe. Of course, you could check out my Facebook page, my Twitter at Jamancheta, Facebook page at jamonline.blog, or just type in jamonline sa search bar na Facebook nyo. So yeah, I guess that's it for our video. So see you guys again on our next video. Bye-bye.